Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn basic algebra simplification. We have done in the previous video simplification using integers or whole numbers as coefficients. In this video I shall do the simplification. The method is same, but the coefficients are rational numbers or fractions, you can say. So my first question is 2 by 3a minus 1. We have to simplify this expression, and when we shall do the simplification, I think you remember, first we expand if we have brackets. If we are having brackets, we open the brackets, this is called expansion. Then we arrange. Arrange means we are going to bring the variables, the same variables together, and then we shall simplify, means we are going to add and subtract according to the symbol given. Okay, in this question there is no expansion as there is no bracket, so we shall just arrange 2a by 3 as the variable is in the middle of the fraction, so we shall take it in the numerator. 2a by 3 plus 2a. Now I shall make this 2a a fraction like this. I shall put a 1 in the denominator to make it a fraction. Then I shall take minus 1 by 7 means b by 7. 1 multiply b is b, and then I shall take minus 3b over 5. Notice two more things here. When I took minus 1 by 7b, I took the sign which was before minus b by 7 with it. And similarly the sign of minus 3b by 5 will go with it. It was negative, now it is negative. It was negative, negative. 2a was positive. Here I have taken 2a with the positive sign. One more thing, when I took a number for the arrangement, I mark that number that I have taken it. Right now I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, that I have 4 terms in the expression after arrangement. So now we have to simplify. For simplification we have to take the LCM. LCM of the denominators, LCMs of A separate, LCMs of B separate will help us. 3 multiplied by 1 and 1 multiplied by 3. So if I have multiplied this 3 with 1, I shall multiply this 2a with 1, and I shall multiply this 2a with 3. Both are 2a's. Okay. How I have taken LCM? I have taken the denominators 3 and 1. The LCM of 3 and 1 is 3. Definitely you can check. If you take the LCM of 3 and 1, you will have 3 one times and 1 one times. There is no need, I think, to take this LCM. It's so simple. And when you shall take the LCM of 7 and 5, both are prime numbers. Their LCM will be their product. 7 5 times, 5 7 times. Both are prime numbers. Now if I multiplied this 7 with 5, I shall multiply this b with 5. And if I have multiplied this 5 with 7, I shall multiply this 3b with 7. So you can see that our numbers which we have taken are same. 7 with 7, 5 with 5, 3 with 3, and 1 with 1. Next step, we shall multiply this number with the numerator as well as with the denominator. 2a 1 times 2a over 3, 3 2 times 6a over 3, minus b multiply 5 is 5b over 7 5 times 35, and 3 7 times 21b over 35. Denominator is same. Denominator is same of b's and a's. Now we can add the numerators. Our final answer will be 6a plus 2a. 8a over 3, and both are negative, so we shall add with negative sign. 21 plus 5, 26b over 35. The next question is 2h over 7 plus h plus 1 over 5. One step ahead, you have 2 terms on one expression in the numerator, but the method is same. You have here denominator 7, here 5, so you shall make the denominator same to add the numerators. I shall multiply it with 5. By chance the LCM is same. I shall multiply this whole with 7, or even I can write 7 on this side. This is 5 2 times 10h over 35, plus 7 will be multiplied with h and 1 separately. I shall have 7h plus 7 over 35. Denominator is same. We shall add numerators. They are already arranged. h with h, and our final answer will be 10 plus 7, both are positive, 17h plus 7 over 35. Another example, 4x plus 1 over 5 plus 3x minus 1 over 2. Definitely we have to take the LCM of the numerators. Numerators are, again we have prime numbers. 5 will be multiplied with 2, 2 will be multiplied with 5, this whole will be multiplied with 5, and this whole will be multiplied with 2. First of all, we shall expand. 4 2 times 8x, 2 1 times 2 over 10, plus 5 3 times. We shall multiply this with this first and then this. 5 3 times 15x minus 5 1 times 5 over 10. We shall add, or we shall bring them on the same fraction. 8x plus 2, 8x plus 2 plus 15x minus 5. We can now arrange them, 8x and 15x together, plus 2 minus 5 together, integer with integer, variable with variable, like terms together. Both are positive, 18 and 5, you will have 23, I guess, and they are having opposite signs, so you will subtract 2 from 5, it will be 3, but it will be negative 3 because 5 is bigger. And I think 23x minus 3 over 10 is our answer. My next question is minus 2b over 3, minus 3a minus 2b over 5. Again, I have the fractions, LCM is prime number, 5 3 times and 3 5 times. You can do it later. First you can open this bracket, and even you can do it in the same step. You can multiply this 3 with 3 and open the bracket with 9. Okay, this is minus 2 5 times minus 10b over 15. This minus sign will remain as it is. This 3 will be multiplied with this 3, and 3 3 is a 9. 9 multiply a, and then 9 multiply 2, 18b over 15. Have the same LCM, same denominator, add the numerators, minus 10b. Now this minus will affect these two. Right now this 9 is positive, but when we shall open it, it will become negative, and this 18b is negative. When we shall bring it on the same fraction, this minus sign will affect this minus sign and it will be positive. This is very important to change the sign. It's like a bracket. The fraction is like a bracket. When you shall open it, the negative sign will change the inner signs. It is already arranged. 9a, no, it is not arranged. We have to arrange it, so we shall first take minus 9a, then we shall take minus 10b, and then we shall take this 18b. This is positive. Notice I am arranging and taking the sign of the variable with it. Now 9a has no other number to add or subtract, but 18b is positive, 10b is negative. We shall subtract and the answer will be 8b, but it will be positive because the bigger number is positive. 9a negative plus 18b 8b positive over 15 is our answer. In my last question, you can see the recap of the video because it has all those things which I have explained before. We have to simplify. We have the LCM of even numbers, so we have to make the ladder and take the LCM. This one is a whole number. We shall make it 1 over 1 to make it a fraction and to add it in these two. Well, we have to open it first. I shall open it first, x plus 3 over 3. Then this 5 will be multiplied with 3, 15x. And this 5 will be again multiplied with 4, 20 over 6. Expanded. Now 1 over 1 as it is. Now we have to take the LCM of the denominators. One denominator is 1. It will follow the LCM. 6 is the multiple of 3. So 3 2 times 6. So the LCM is 6. It will be multiplied with 2. This will be multiplied with 1 and this will be multiplied with 6. The same number in the numerator which is multiplied in the denominator, it will be with 1. You can write 1, you can omit 1, you can ignore writing 1. It's okay. This will be multiplied with 2. Now I shall open 2 with x, 2x. 2 with 3 will give me 6 over 6. 15x and 20 will remain as it is. So as we multiplying with 1 doesn't matter. And 1 with 6 over 6. So when we have expanded, now we have to arrange. We can arrange it even writing them on the same fraction. I can take here 2x plus 15 plus this 6 plus this 20. This sign is plus, so these signs will not be changed, along with this 6, and my final answer will be 15 plus 2 is 17x, 6 and 20, 26 and 6, 32 over 6. 17x plus 32 over 6 is the answer. Last question for today. I have taken 4 fractions here, and we shall adopt all those things which we have learned just in last few minutes. Okay, 4 is 4 over 1, you know, you have to make it fraction, and we have to open these two brackets. The first bracket will be opened with 3. 3 multiply y is 3y, and we shall keep this minus sign outside right now. We shall not multiply it here. We shall multiply it when we shall have the LCM. 3 4 times 12. It is positive 12z over 4. Then we have positive 5x, and then 5 3 times 15z. Okay, over, and this is x, sorry, 8. So the LCM of 4, 3 and 8. Start with 2, the smallest even number, the smallest prime number. 2 times 4, 2 4 times 8, 3 here, again with 2, 1 times 2, 2 times 3 here, then with 2, and at the end we shall have it 3. The LCM is 24. 2 times 4, 4 2 times 8, 8 3 times 24. Now notice how I give values of the LCM to the denominators. This is 1. It will be multiplied with 24, the whole 24, right? This is 3. Keep this 3 and multiply with rest of these 3, 8. 2 times 4, 4 2 times 8. This is 4. So keep 4 with you and multiply it with 6. 3 2 times 6, and this will be 24. And when you have 8, 2 2 2 8, you shall only multiply with 3. So this LCM will help you to decide which number is going to be multiplied with the rest. You will take these factors, you will choose the factors which are in the denominator, and rest of the factors will be multiplied with the numerator, and same number will be multiplied with the denominator. So the last fraction will be multiplied with 3, these two with 3, these two with 6, these two with 8, and this is with 24. Now we are going to expand it. 24 4 times, I think 96. This is 8x and 8y. This minus sign, keep it outside. 6 3 times 18y, and 6 12 times 72z, and the last fraction 5 3 times 15x, and 15 3 times 45z over 24. Taking the same fraction 24, first I shall take all x. 8x, this is minus 8x. I have taken this 8x with this sign. Any other x? Yes, this is 15x plus 15x. Now we can go to y. This is negative sign and negative sign. We shall have positive 8y. Two negative signs will give us a positive sign, along with this negative 18y, because 18y was positive but this sign has made it negative. We go to z. 72z is positive. No, it's not positive. It's now negative. 72z is negative 72z. And the other z is positive because this plus sign will not change this sign, and this will be positive 45z, and one term is left, that is positive. When there is no sign, it is positive 96. We can count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. All terms are here. The last step, denominator is 24. 15x is positive, 8 is negative. You have to subtract. You will have 7x, but that 7x will be positive because 15 was positive. Bigger number was positive. Opposite sign, subtract. 18 minus 8 is 10. but this is negative 10 because the bigger number is negative. And here again subtract opposite signs. 45 and 72, 7, 27, and this is negative 27 because the bigger number is negative, and the 96 will remain as it is.